Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Doritos powder, full guide. Begin by assembling all ingredients and tools on a clean countertop so nothing is missed. Measure spices precisely, toast gently, and blend to a fine texture for even coating. I will walk you through seasoning ratios, drying methods, and storage suggestions so your homemade powder tastes bright and lasts longer in a sealed container. Gather powdered cheddar or cheese blend, smoked paprika, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, citric acid, and a sweetener if desired. Toasting whole spices briefly intensifies flavor, but keep them mild to avoid bitterness. Use a spice grinder to reach a fine, dust-like consistency so the powder adheres to chips evenly. I recommend trying small test batches to tweak heat and tang before scaling up. Hey, quick recommendation. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful content. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great while you snack. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Start by toasting any whole spices lightly, then cool completely to prevent steam in the grinder. Grind all components to a consistent fine powder, stirring between pulses to avoid clumping. For application, warm chips slightly and use a light oil mist or spray so the powder adheres without becoming greasy. Taste and adjust the seasoning, then store the powder in an airtight jar away from heat and moisture for best freshness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.